Ciao from Calabria. My name is Christel and I'm from Space to Love, and this is Space to Love Quick Tips. Alright, so my last video I just showed you how to fold a fitted sheet, and this video I'm going to show you how to fold a top sheet. But I'm also going to show it to you as if you were folding it alone because, well, I do laundry at a laundromat, and also I want to show it to you as if it so it doesn't touch the floor. Ugh. Right? Okay, so we find the top part where we have the trim or the large border, and then we follow it down to the end to find the bottom part of the sheet and match those corners. And then we're just going to bring that together like this, and then you're going to follow it along to pretty much about the middle. So where you can get the middle there and then fold it over. And so now it's not touching the floor. And you want to match those corners down at the end, and then fold once and fold twice, and put it down, and then we go 1, 2, 3, 4, and there you have it. Thank you so much for watching. And if you want to see more videos like this, subscribe to our YouTube channel. And if you want to know more about us at Space to Love, check us out at spacetolove.com. And of course, if you like this video, give us a thumbs up, comment. We'd love to hear from you. Again, thanks so much for watching, and ciao from Calabria.